Hi kids. Hi everyone. Are we all ready for today's session, kids? Okay. It is really so nice, kids. Once again I am meeting you all. I am so happy. Thank you so much, kids, for joining me today. Welcome to the drawing and painting class, kids. So you all are ready, kids? Okay. So kids, do you all know about spray art? Do you have any idea? Okay. So kids, today we are just going to learn this very interesting technique of art. Okay kids? And so for this you all just be ready. Okay? Just leave everything and just focus on the drawing. Okay kids? Okay? Thank you so much. And kids, thank you so much for your beautiful artworks which you are uploading on the Yellow Class portal. Those are really very beautiful, kids. Thank you so much once again. So kids, I can see some of my little artist friends still joining in. So let's wait for everyone. Okay kids? Till then, just keep your materials and everything ready. Yes kids? So today we are just going to learn this very magical spray art. Okay kids? So I will be just telling you the instructions and just follow my instructions very well. Okay kids? Okay. Thank you so much everyone, kids. So let's start today's session. So everybody please ready with all the materials. Okay kids? Okay everyone. So kids, I am just shifting to my workstation and I am just introducing you to the materials. Okay kids? So for this session we need a white paper. Okay. Let me take some more of my white sheets. We just need some white sheets. Okay. A3 or A4, whatever you want. Okay. And then we need a toothbrush. It can be a new toothbrush or an old toothbrush, but if you are using an old toothbrush, it should be properly cleaned. Okay kids? So a pencil, an eraser, a scale, brush, and then my water container. Okay, some poster color paints. You can use either the students Camlin poster colors or the Rangila paints. Anything will do. Okay kids? So these are my poster colors. And then we need a scissor. Okay, or a cutter. And just be very careful with the with the scissor, kids. Just take the help of your parents while cutting. And a palette. Okay, so this is what we need for today's session. Okay. Yes kids, so let's be ready for today's session. Okay. So I can see some of my little artist friends, everybody has joined. So let's begin. Okay. So let's start today's session. So kids, for this we will be just making a beautiful scene. Okay, and we will be just drawing a beautiful star. Okay kids? So kids, to make this star, I am just taking my paper. Okay, and just folding it into two halves. Okay, you see I am just folding it into two halves to make our star. Just fold the paper properly into two halves. Okay. And then we will be drawing our star. Okay kids? So take your pencils, an eraser and your scale. Okay. So we will be now making our star. Okay. So first of all, I am taking my scale and just starting to draw my star. Okay. So I'm just making some triangles. Just with the help of your scale, just draw these star kids. We just need to draw the half portion of our star, okay? The half portion of our star I am just making, okay? So you see kids, this is how we will be making our star, okay? And then after drawing, you will be just cutting it, okay? Everybody please draw the star kids. Everybody please draw the star. You see how I have drawn the star? So that you can view it properly, I am outlining it for you kids. I have just drawn the half portion of my star, okay? And now I will be just cutting it, okay? See, this is I have just made the paper into two halves, okay? And now I will be just cutting it. To get my full star, I have to cut it, okay? So everybody, please take the help of your parents while cutting, okay? If you are unable to cut it properly, please take the help of your parents. Please cut the star properly, kids, okay? I hope everybody has drawn the star, kids. And now, if you have completed drawing the star, please start cutting it, okay? See, we are getting such a beautiful and lovely star out of this drawing. Okay, so you see, we have got this cutout of our star, okay? And now if we open this, wow, magic! See, so lovely. We got this beautiful star, kids. So everybody please draw, make the star. Everybody please draw this star, kids. Everybody please make the star. And now I am just trying to cut out one more little star, okay? To cut our small little star, I am once again folding my paper, okay? So once again I will draw one small star. Okay, I have drawn one more small star and now I will just cut the small star, okay? So you see I am now cutting my small little star. Everybody please cut your star, kids. Okay. So now you see I have got this small little star. And if I open this, See, I have got another cute star. Okay, so I have got 2 stars. Okay, and now we will be just starting our spray painting. Okay, see kids, my stars are looking nice, right kids? Yeah, so everybody please cut out these stars, kids. Then I am just thinking to cut one small moon too. Okay, so I am now just making a moon. What I can do is just I am just drawing a moon. Okay, this is my moon, and now I will be just cutting my moon. Okay kids, please cut this moon part. So kids, now we have just got the stars. Okay, yes kids, and now we will be just starting in our stencil art. Okay kids, so everybody please cut the stars and just be ready. After cutting the star, I will be just making some blue color. Okay kids, so to make the blue color, I am just taking little bit of dark blue on my palette. Okay, so as you can see, I am having my dark blue shade and I am taking my blue color. Okay, on my palette. So everybody please take some blue paint and just keep it in your palette. Okay, taking little bit more of blue, some little bit more of light blue. I hope everybody has drawn and cut the star, kids. So I have just put my blue paint on my palette and now I will be just starting my spray painting part. Okay kids, so everybody please take your palette and just dip some put some color on the palette. And kids, like when I will be and kids, I also need to like while spray painting, I will be just using this stencil part, okay. You have got this stencil part, right kids? You have got a stencil of the stars, so you need to keep this part as well as this star part, okay. So both these elements we are going to use in this artwork, okay. So I will be just show you how you can spray inside the stencil as well as how you can spray keeping this star, okay kids. So I will be just show you how to spray paint using the both ways. So just focus, okay kids. And now I will be just making one more shade for my star, okay kids. So I am taking some yellow shade. For my star, okay. Just taking some yellow shade and putting this paint into my palette, okay. You see, so I have got a lot of yellow paint on my palette kids, you see. So I will be just using this, okay, with my with the help of my brush. I will be just spraying this yellow paint, okay. So I am also mixing little bit of yellow ochre on my yellow shade, okay. So kids, I am just ready with my paints. Are you all ready? Comment below kids. Are you all ready with all your paints and everything? So just dip some yellow paint on your palette. Make your paints ready. And kids, for the spray painting, we can use our thick brushes as well as our paintbrush, okay. And kids, you also need to remember that as you use one shade in your paintbrush, you need to either you need to wash it, or you can just rub it on a piece of cloth, okay kids. So I am just using my thick brushes, okay, and my toothbrush, okay kids. So I am now just ready with all my materials and everything. So now I am just starting, okay. So let's begin spray painting. So first of all, I will show you how to spray paint keeping the stencil on the sheet, okay kids. Just take your another white sheet, okay, and just keep your star on your paper, okay. Just keep the stencil on the paper, and just remember one thing kids, you don't need to cut the small star using the same paper, okay. You can just take another sheet. I have just cut it here because just to show you, okay. But you just need to take another sheet and cut the small star. Otherwise, the paint will just go inside this part, okay. So just remember to take one full sheet and cut this star, okay. So now I will be just start spraying with my brush. Here is Mr. Brush, and he will help us in this spray painting, okay. So I am just taking my palette, okay, you see, and now I will be just dipping my brush into my palette. Yeah, dip it well, okay. Dip it well on yellow ochre, dip it well on lemon yellow, okay. So You see, it's so much fun, right kids? Yeah. So dip it well, kids. So you see, my brush is full, it is fully filled. It might be a little bit messy process, but you will still enjoy it, kids. Okay? So now I will be just start spraying, and kids, like just keep something on this sheet so that it just do not flies away. Okay? So I am just keeping some of my paints on this paper so that like it sets well. Okay? So now I am just starting. So 1, 2, 3, start. See kids, this is how you need to spray. Okay, just with the help of your hands, just start the splattering process. Okay kids. So you see, we are getting some shades. Dip it once again, the brush on your paint, and just start coloring, just start spraying. Okay? So just keep on spraying kids, just keep on spraying. Take more of paints and keep on spraying on this part. Okay? Spray well kids so that we can just get good texture. Okay? So I hope it looks very cool for everyone kids. And I am just taking, I think I should also take little bit of red. Okay? So I am just taking little bit of red on my palette. Okay? So that I can give one more shade to my star. Okay? So I am just taking little bit of red shade. Okay? But before taking my red shade, I am just spraying little bit more of yellow. Okay? So spray it well kids, spray it well. And now I am just taking little bit of red. Okay? I'm just taking my red shade. Okay? And now I'm just spraying my red shade. Okay? You see? It's fun, right? Yeah, I know everybody will enjoy this. I know everybody will enjoy this. It is such a magical art. I know this. So kids, please start spraying with your red shade. See, it looks so good, right kids? And it looks so magical, right? And please keep some tissue papers beside so that your hands do not get dirty. Okay kids? So just spray with your red shade. Spray it well so that we can get a very nice beautiful effect. Okay? So spray it well, and just keep your paint on this sheet, on the top of this paper, so that it do not flies away. Okay? So to keep our paper stagnant, we are just keeping our paints on it. Okay kids? Wow, it looks so cool, right kids? Yeah, I know everybody is enjoying this. I know everybody is enjoying this. So you see kids, I've got this very beautiful red shading with the help of my brush, only with the help of my toothbrush. Isn't our Mr. Toothbrush so helpful to us? So you see kids, now I have just used my red shade to do the spraying, okay? Spray it well kids. Now I am just taking little bit more of yellow and just spraying it over in this part, okay? Taking little bit of red and spraying it over the yellow part. So kids, I hope everybody is have started spraying. So please start the spraying part kids. Spray it well. See kids, I think I am almost done with my spraying part. With my red part, I am almost done with my red part. And kids, once again, I am just telling you, please, like after shading one, after using your brush to spray one part, you just need to wash your brush, okay kids? Wash your brush, okay? And then put the other shade, okay? And after that, once again, when you are done with the other shade, once again you need to wash your brush, okay kids? Once again wash your brush, and like if you want to like use your yellow shade over the red shade, then you just need to wash your brush, okay kids? Yeah, after washing the brush, you just need to after washing your brush, you just need to give the other shade, okay kids? Otherwise, like it will just become dirty, okay? It will not give a bright effect, okay? So everybody, please remember this step, kids. Okay? So please do till this part, kids. Everybody, please spray and just finish this part, kids. Everybody, please finish this part. And after finishing this part, let it dry, okay, kids? Just let it dry, and then I will be just showing you the second step, okay? Like how you can spray and without the stencil, okay? How you can just keep the star and then you will just do the spraying part, okay? So first just finish this part, kids. Everybody, please finish this part. I am just waiting for all the kids to finish. Yes, kids? So you all are going very good. Everybody is going great. And I know everyone is doing very good job. Very good, kids. Very good everyone. Yes, I can see some of my little artist friends have cutted the star. Yeah. And now just keep the stencil over the paper and start spraying. Yes, kids. And kids, now do you want to see the magic? Let's see the magic. So now I will be just taking this paper and just keeping it up, okay? Oh wow! See the magic! It looks so great, right kids? Wow! It looks so lovely. Oh, it looks so good, right kids? So kids, you will be also getting this effect if you just follow the instructions well, okay? So just make this beautiful lovely star, kids. Everybody just make this lovely star. Everybody please finish this, kids, till this part. And then I will show you something with my little star, okay? How we will be spraying, keeping this star on paper, okay? I will be just showing you. Now we have just stencil. Now we have just sprayed inside the stencil, right? And now we will be just spraying, keeping the star on the sheet, okay? So it is also very easy. That also I will just show you now, okay? I hope everybody has done till this part. After this, I am just showing you how to do spray painting, keeping the star on paper, okay? Now I have just kept it on the sheet, right? And now once again I am just keeping, let's spray here. So now I just kept the sheet, the star on the paper, okay? And I am just taking my one poster color and just keeping it on my star, okay? So just see that this paper is stable on the sheet, okay? And then we will just start the spraying thing, okay? So kids, now I am just taking the help of my brush, okay, to do the spraying. So I am just, you see, I am just dipping my brush into my yellow paint, okay? And now I will just start the spraying process, okay? So now you see kids, I have taken my blue shade, okay? And now I will just start spraying, okay? You see, this is how we will be getting some effects with the help of our paintbrush, okay? And just remember one thing, kids, I just forgot to tell you, while you spray the star, just keep a sheet on this star, okay? I am just keeping a sheet to cover the star, otherwise the paint will just come to this side, okay? So I am just keeping the sheet, and now I am just continuing my spraying part. So you see kids, I have just shown you what kind of effect you will get with the help of your paintbrush, okay? So it is also not bad, we can see. So spray it well, kids. So I have just shown you how to spray with I am just showing you now how to spray with our brush, okay? Spray it well, spray it well. Spray in in the whole in the every side of our star. Just keep spraying in the every side of our star. Okay. Your hands are going to be little bit dirty, but it's okay, kids. We are just learning something very new. Oh, so it's okay. So you see, I am just covering this whole area with my blue shade. Okay. Just keep spraying, keep splattering like this. I hope you all are enjoying this fun process, kids. I know everybody is going to enjoy this because it is really so much fun, right, kids? Yeah. So you see, kids, this kind of shading we will get with the help of our paintbrush. Okay, kids? Wow, it looks so great. I am having a lot of fun, kids, and I hope you all are having fun. Wow, it looks so colorful, right, kids? So kids, you can see I have just finished spraying, okay, with the help of my paintbrush, and now just let it dry for a few seconds, okay, for a few seconds and minutes. Just let it dry, and then you are just going to take this star out, okay. So just start spraying, kids. Just keep the star on the paper and start spraying, okay. And just don't forget to use your tissue papers, kids. While painting, you also need your tissue papers to rub your hands, okay. So have fun, kids. Have fun making this this interesting art, okay. So kids, after making this, after spraying this, you will be just taking the star out, okay. So now I'm just taking my star. Wow, magic! Isn't it so cool, kids? See, we have got this lovely star out of this stencil. Out of the star stencil, see, it has just gone wet, and we just got this lovely effect, just keeping the star. So both methods were interesting, right, kids? See, once we sprayed using this, right, kids? Once we sprayed using this stencil, and once we sprayed using this star, okay? So now I have just shown you both the methods, and you can just make beautiful artworks out of these two methods. Yes, kids. So this was these two methods which I shared you. Okay, kids. So next time you can just cut out something else, like you can just cut out a heart, or you can just cut out a moon, or you can just cut out some different patterns or shapes, whatever you like. Okay, everyone. So next time you can just try this beautiful stencil art using a different shape. Okay, kids. So now let us wait for it to dry. Okay, and we can just do something else till that time. Okay, so let me take our paper. Oh, so now we have just got two stars. You see, now we have got two stars. Okay, great. You all have enjoyed this, kids? You all have enjoyed it, right? Okay, thank you so much, kids. So kids, now what I will do is I will just keep this star once again, okay? Because now it has just dried, so now I will be just keeping the star, okay, on this pattern, and I will be just spraying on the background, okay? Yes kids, I will be just spraying on the background, okay? So I am just keeping my star on this, and I am just placing once again my paint, okay, on the star. So just make it sure the star remains stable, okay? Just make it sure the star remains stable, okay? Just make it sure the star remains stable on the paper, okay? And now I am just taking one more shade, that is my purple shade, on my palette, okay? So I will be just putting some purple shade on my palette, okay? So just putting some purple shade on my palette, okay? Okay, I have taken my purple shade, and now I will be just giving some spray to my background, okay kids? Once again I am taking my brush and I will be just dip my brush on my purple shade, okay? And then I will just take these paints away. Yes kids, otherwise like if you keep the paint on this part, then like we will be just getting a this round shape, okay? So you just need to take your paints away from the star, okay? I just kept it to keep it stable, okay? So you can just place one paint on the star, okay? And then we will be just starting to spray our background, okay? And if you want, you can also keep the little star. So now kids, I will be just starting to spray, okay? See kids, this is how you need to spray in the background, okay? You can use this fun technique to make very beautiful greeting cards, kids. You can just make very beautiful greeting cards out of this fun technique, okay? So you see, I am just getting such beautiful effect with the help of my toothbrush. Okay. So everybody, please do the spraying part, kids. Yes. Just don't go too much near this small star, otherwise the paint will just go inside that star. Okay. I don't want my spray paint to go inside that star, so I will be just staying little bit far away from my small star. Okay. So keep spraying, everyone. Spray the whole surface with your purple shade. Okay. Yes, kids. Just spray the whole part with your purple shade. Okay. I hope everybody, all the kids are enjoying this. I hope everyone is spraying with me. Yes? Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. So just try to take more of colors, kids, in your brush. Okay. And just try to spray it properly. Okay. So that you can just get this beautiful magical effect. Okay. So I'm just taking little bit more of blue too. Okay. So you see, kids, this is how it will look. Okay. So kids, you see, this is how we will be getting, okay, we will be getting these kind of strokes. Okay, kids. Yeah. And everybody will get these beautiful strokes, like if you do your best. Okay. Just keep on spraying properly, keep on taking more of paints and just spray properly. Okay, kids. So kids, let it dry for a few minutes and then we will be just taking it off. Okay, the star. So let us wait for this to dry. And you see, I have just taken this round surface up, and now you see we are just getting such beautiful all round image like pattern in between the star too. So now kids, it's time for the magic. I am just taking this star off. Wow, lovely it is, right kids? Yes kids, so I hope you all have enjoyed this fun technique. Everybody has just done their best, I know. So kids, just try using this lovely technique, okay? And I hope you all will just try to use something, some interesting patterns and everything for this technique. Yes, kids? Okay. So kids, now I am just telling you that you can also cut out some different patterns, okay? And just try out this interesting technique, okay, kids? Yes, kids. So I hope you all have enjoyed today's technique, and everyone please practice well, okay, kids? And now let us see how much you all have finished. Okay, I can see such beautiful stars. Wow. So kids, I have just shown you these two techniques, okay, these two methods. Either you can leave, like it is not compulsory you need to spray the background. You can just spray one part, okay. I have just shown you these two methods so that you can just try it on different artwork, okay. Yes, kids, just you can just try some new patterns, lovely patterns, okay. Yes, kids. Okay. Thank you so much, kids, for following the instructions and rules. Thank you so much, everyone, and practice more and more of art, kids, and I will just see you next time with a very interesting fun session, okay, kids? So this is it for today. Thank you so much once again, and keep on creating more magic, okay, kids? Keep on creating more magic with this beautiful technique, okay? So I will be just waiting for you all to see the artworks. Where? Again in the same place, right, kids? In the yellow class portal, okay? Yes, kids. So please upload your artworks on the yellow class portal, and I will be just waiting for each one of you to see the artworks. Yes, kids? Okay. Thank you so much, kids. Thank you so much once again. So I will be seeing you next time. Till then, practice more of art, okay? Bye, everyone. Bye.